friend. Hi, kitty friend. Are you back again? You back again for YouTube? Ah. You must be being fed, dude. Because you've been here a long time and you visit. Where you going? Kitty. You have a purple bell on you, so you must have an owner. Hi, kitty friend. What's up, bro? Bro. Come here. I made video 1 about you, and now you're coming back for more attention? Are you gonna be popular, huh? Where'd you go? What, bro? Are you gonna be popular? Where you going? You high-fiving me? You high five, bro. High five. Don't. Come here. Where are you going? He ran off into darkness. Oh, you ran to the car. Yeah, my dog was outside because my bro was taking her out. And she was barking. That's the cat. Hello, kitty. Oh no, you're going into the darkness again. Where are you going? Oh, you're back. This time you're acting very friendly, not weird again. You must have a home. Where's your mommy and daddy? Where's your mommy and daddy? You're dry. You must have actually a shelter because it is wet out right now. J-Jam. And that's the color fur. Oh, say hi, say hi. You're putting your face on it. On the camera. The very camera. Where you going now? Where you going? Where you going? You going out front of my house? You going out? Whoa! Come back. Where are you? Hello. Now you going out back or on the driveway? What's up? High five, bro. Yep, that's how you high five in Kittyland. Where'd you go? There you are. There you are. Oh. You have a cute face. You grew more fur too. You're a little small cat, huh? Are you a little pup? Or are you a mommy? Or daddy? What's up, bro? High five. Oh yeah. Whoa. Where you going? Oh, dang. Where you going? Whoa, you on the camera you just had red eyes. Did you know that? Oh. Yeah, high five. High five. Okay, no 5. What's up, bro? Yeah, you guys can just tell me if you can, if you've ever seen this cat. Here's the collar. Oh, wait, no, you have a purple bell. Let me get that on camera, bro. He's been coming to my house a lot. Whoa, that shines bright through the night. Oh, no, dude, don't go in the fireplace. Don't go in the fireplace, even though there's nothing in it and it's really wet. That's no home for... So, there's the collar. There's the collar. They saw it. You've been spoiled. So where are you gonna go? You want to go in there? Well, you can't. Oh, but dude. You're inside of a fireplace. Please get out of the fireplace. Climb out of the fireplace. No, don't eat. What are you doing? Dude. Let me get you out of there. Kitty, come here. Kitty. Kitty, please get out of there. It's not good for you. There we go. You going to the other yard? Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hello, everybody. This was Britnos, and good night. Salute.